he likes that old super sport.
Go straight through that one.
It's gone straight through it.
Okay. I've got my video recording again. I'll put some.
One more copy, this one.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Yeah, go for it.
One loaded.
We'll stick a load of glass down there. Excellent.
Oh, short.
Yeah. So,
The first cut went clean through it.
yeah. Yeah, you can see the hole that's there.
Yeah. I thought we missed it first. Well, I kind of missed it, but it went straight through it.
Yeah, Bert, would it hurt put a little bit of oil on there, would it?
Yeah, you can do here and there. Yeah. Yeah, not. Yeah, just.
Just a touch.
Yeah, I'd use that silicon-based oil though. I don't think mineral oil's any good for the O-ring and the. You know, I've done it, but I use the silicon oil because it's plastic and rubber in there, so. It's something like that, yeah. I think they've got silicon on as well. Gold bend. Arseholes. You know that.
Absolutely bang on this time.
Yeah, brilliant, yeah. You could probably cut through that line in the end. It's going through that gauze, eh? Holes are fair.
Glass,
Yeah, mate, yeah, by all means. Yeah, of course.
You gonna go on this, Mark?
yeah.
Lovely bullets.
Oh
Oh no! Oh no!
Matron!
Gently. Excellent. Hilarious.
I've still got me on that Winchester. I keep thinking about it. Say it all over.
Yeah, yeah. Nice to have a real one, wouldn't it? What's it, 328 calibre or something? Right.
I mean, I was just straight through that fucking two doors, straight through that fence.
Yeah, of course,
straight
yeah.
through the next one.
That tree would just go down in there, wouldn't it? Yeah. And in the end, the tree just disappeared.
Yeah, I win the lottery tonight, buy a big place with an underground range.
Yeah.
That's
We have real gun
there.
there. Underground motorbike riding, and that's it. Don't matter about the weather. Excellent.
Yeah, that walk, that bloody top I got now, it's not a problem riding in the wet now.
Nah. Well,
Film my waterproof over gloves as well.
yeah, yeah. Excellent stuff.
It's all about having the right kit with this sort of thing to do, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I ride all year round on that other bike. You know, it doesn't matter really.
It's horrifying. You stay that hard in there. I've bought it to use it.
Yeah.
Spend all day cleaning.
Well, yeah, exactly. Yeah, oh, sorry, mate. Just getting rid of this one. It's settled down nicely, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know where the pellets are going through the door, but they're probably all inside.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
Crash!
You could do it with that gun.
It's accurate.
Yeah. But I don't know about it.
Yeah, are you going to go on this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just use this one quickly.
Try that, see what we do.
Rain bottles.
Too easy, isn't it? It's ready to fire.
Oh, so you want to ready to go?
Yeah,
It's loaded up.
Bolt as usual.
So,
Yeah.
got to be quite deliberate to push it forward.
Ooh. Glanced it.
Must have glanced that one.
Yeah.
Pointed pellets, so they glance off.
Yeah.
Pick him to the post of this one. Yeah, when you push it forward, you've got to push it quite hard. It won't.
Yeah.
Alright, what's that? There's more glass up there as well.
Glass don't last long in this house.
That starts. Right.
Starts to someone with air right.